motherfuckers? What are you saying? Today, name's Hanky Panky, and I'm taking over this webisode, this video, cause that motherfucker don't know what to talk about. So, today, we just gonna rap about shit, cause the shit need rapping and the rap need shit. You know what I'm saying? Alright, with celebrities, I don't know what the fuck to say. That Britney Spears bitch, Chris Crocker with back support. I don't even think Britney Spears likes that thing. What would you call it? Bitch? Hermie? Tranny? Ugly! That's what the fuck that is. I don't know. Your personality scares me. Your face is undecisive. And your gender is but just the damn thing. The fuck you thinking? Anyway, you know who is the weirdest motherfucking actor I think out there? Johnny Depp. Yeah, I said it, Johnny Depp. He is one kooky motherfucker. Who else would they get to play? Charlie and the Choco Factory. Fucking Oompa Loompas. Purple suits with top hats and a game with fat kids getting out of chocolate tubes. What the fuck? It's not like Tom Cruise could do that. He's too busy with Katie Holmes, trying to keep her under lock and key with that baby. I have to admit though, Last Samurai kicked ass. Word. And that guy that writes books, but married his own adopted daughter from China or something. What the fuck's wrong with you? What the fuck's wrong with you? Who does that? Who marries their own daughter? And to be honest, who marries their own father? Like I personally don't know what's wrong with these people these days. Incest and law shit. I mean, I'm from Canada. I live on some guy's wrist. I get carried around like a motherfucker, slapped around like a bitch, getting put in places I don't know, and still motherfuckers do shit that ain't cool. What the fuck is wrong with you people out there these days? You know what? I would have loved George Bush to be back in office for like another 2 decades. Because America don't need someone leading, they need a preacher. They need someone to tell them what's going on. They don't need the truth. They need to feel safe and secure in the time of terrorism. Because you can't really call it terrorism if there ain't no terrorist threatening to terrorize. American. I am proud to be American. You know what American is? Fucking she creature, yo. You know what the fuck? Terrorism! Go fire me them nukes, boy. What fucking nukes, man? There weren't no nukes here, there, Pakistan. The only nukes we be worried about is the ones in Korea, Russia, and America. 'Cause in America, you gotta wonder, boy. What you looking at, you ugly? God damn, this motherfucker's ugly. Why do you guys watch? Oh. What the hell's wrong with you people out there? Honestly. What the fuck you saying? Don't look at me like that. I'm just a hand puppet. Nigga don't know me for shit. My face looks like that guy off of the Goonies. Yeah, you know that big ugly motherfucker with the eye nearby his cheekbone? Yeah, I look like him. But I get to say shit other than Twinkie. That actually sounds pretty good right now. You ever see a hand puppet give oral sex? Well, you were about to. Hey, you, come here. Oh yeah. All right, motherfuckers. What do you think you be saying? Who should I pick on next? I want the fans out there, Grapey's fans, me. Tell Hanky Panky what the bitch about. 'Cause everything needs to go bitchin'. Leave me alone. Why did you ever do it? I'm Chris Crocker. I'm a giant fan. Oh, my penis hurts. I should stop stuffing it back in my pelvis. Everyone thinks I'm a girl. But I'm not. I'm not.